To create a heat map on Google Looker Studio, go to Add a Chart, then select Pivot Tables with Heat Maps and paste the visualization. Now select the row dimension. I will choose hour of day. I am connecting GA for data for this exercise. And as column, I will say day of week. Then the metric will be sessions. And the sorting for the rows will be hour. And I will make it ascending so it starts at 12 a.m. and finishes at 11 p.m. And the sorting of the columns will be day of week with ascending sorting. So it starts from Monday to Sunday. Then on the style, I will change the header color. So the color will be black and the font will be white. Then I will wrap this text so I can see all my data in one view and I don't need to scroll to see more data. Once I wrap this data, I will adjust and modify a bit the size of this column so I can see everything in one place. And finally, I will change the color of this table. So I will scroll down and I will select, instead of blue, I will choose the red color and I will finish with a background. I will make it white, and here is how you can create a heat map on Google Looker Studio.